Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on autosave media after send on the IMMO application. So how to turn on autosave media after send on the IMMO application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the IMMO app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the app. Next, tap the profile icon in the top left of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear. Next, tap the Settings menu. Here, you're in the Settings menu. Next, tap the Chats menu. This will appear. Next, tap Autosave after send. So that's it, tutorial on how to turn on autosave media after send on the IMMO application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.